Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. In case you are new, today we're gonna be cleaning out my garage. This hasn't happened in like 2 years, maybe since I moved here. Sorry the camera is gonna keep fogging up. I'll do my best to keep wiping it down, but it is August in Florida, so it's really, really hot. So anyway, I'm gonna take you guys along this cleaning up my garage, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you like it, make sure you subscribe for more, and let's just get right on into it.
I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Alright, so I'm going through some of my old clothing, and I guess I was really hoping that juicy tracksuits would have a comeback. But I'm going to take my chances, and I'm going to go ahead and donate all of this. I am going to keep some of the stuff that has my name on it from college and stuff, but there's a lot of stuff in here that I haven't touched in years, so it's just gotta go. Plus I live in Florida, so there's no reason why I need 45 different fleece coats. So I'm gonna get rid of all this stuff, and then I can free up this container and put other things in it, or get rid of the container altogether. So it actually looks more of a mess right now, even though I've invested 2 hours out here so far. I didn't record the whole time because the camera kept fogging up, But yeah, I just have everything in piles. My parents are actually moving down to Florida this week, and they're giving me shelving to put right here that used to be in their basement. So I'm gonna have some of this stuff organized on the shelving. But before they came, I just really wanted to clear it out. And from the last clip, you saw that I had a dresser and a nightstand table right here. I posted it on our neighborhood Facebook page, and literally within 3 minutes, somebody came or somebody contacted me and was like, yeah, we'll take it. So I gave it away for free. So anyway, that was easy. I got rid of that to clear up some space. So yeah, I'm excited. They said that they were gonna repurpose it and use it for like a nursery or something. They were gonna redo it. So anyway, yeah, it looks like a disaster right now. My after shot, I'm probably gonna film after the shelving is in, because I may just leave some of this, once I go through everything, I think I'm just gonna leave some of it right here, because there's no use in putting it back over here if the shelving is just gonna go up. So anyway, that's what we got going on. Oh my God. And you guys, I have a problem. I love sparkling water, and this brand, the Polar Seltzer, oh my God, it's so good. If you haven't tried it, you gotta try it. All right, I'm gonna get back to work. Okay guys, so it is a few days later. My parents came over the weekend to give me some of this shelving that they had from their old house. I forget if I mentioned in the first part of this video, but they moved down to Florida and they had a lot of shelving in their basement. Obviously, they'll no longer have a basement in Florida, so nice of them to give me 2 of these shelving units. So we just got them put up, but everything's still kind of thrown over here. I got rid of a ton of stuff last weekend, donated, so like literally a whole trunk full of stuff, so it was great. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and try to organize some of the stuff, put it on the shelves. I think I wanna take some of those sparkling waters, like water bottles, toilet paper, and paper towels, and have them up here. And then those boxes, probably gonna put those over here. Yeah, anyway, I'm just going to try to straighten up some more stuff, so let's just get right on into it, and then when I'm done, I'll show you what the after looks like.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'll surrender it. Hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
All right guys, all done. I'm sweating my butt off. It's so hot out right now, but this is what it's looking like. I still have a little bit of organization to do over here. I want to figure out a way to hang up the beach chairs on the wall over here with those hooks. If you guys know what I'm talking about. So that's going to be a project for another day, and then that way my shop vac can slide right under that little table, and then I'll figure out a way to organize this a little bit nicer. But I'm feeling a lot better about having these shelves stocked. All of this over here is trash. That chair is broken. I am going to keep this chair just as a backup, but yeah, it's looking pretty good. I'm super happy with the progress. Of course, there's always more I could do, but for now, this is looking pretty good, and plenty of room for my car. Sorry, I'm probably making you super dizzy, but my bicycle will go right here in front of the shelves. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like it. Subscribe if you like content like this. I would love to have you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Make it last.